North Bay senior citizen says it's tired of the healthcare industry putting profit before people. About a dozen demonstrators gathered in front of the Medical Center Plaza in Santa Rosa earlier tonight to speak out against what they call injustice. These people are protesting what they call the unfair policies and tactics of health insurance carriers.
Members in the community that are tired of the insurance industry bullying and waiting for people to die, or actually forcing the issues and delaying the trials to the point where the elderly and the disabled die before they're even afforded justice.
They say 79-year-old Gene Dieter, a retired school principal, never got his day in court because doctors downplayed the urgency of his medical condition.
They're now blaming Santa Rosa Memorial Hospital for the fact that Mr. Dieter died before the case reached trial.
2 years ago, Dieter fell into a malfunctioning elevator on his way to a doctor's appointment here at a medical center owned by Santa Rosa Memorial Hospital. The elevator was under repair then, and some witnesses say there were no warning signs or repair signs posted. Hospital and elevator company officials disagree. Furthermore, they say it's not their fault Dieter's lawyers couldn't prove his client's case needed to be heard right away.
He had quadruple bypass surgery, Parkinson's disease. He was in and out of the hospital prior to the incident, and all during the incident he was hospitalized for many, many days, weeks. I don't think it takes a rocket scientist to figure out that this man was going to die soon.
But nonetheless, doctors would not back up the fact that Dieter's days were numbered, and the courts were backlogged with cases pushing the trial date further away. Dieter filed a $20,000 lawsuit 2 years ago, but died this past March.
Scientifically, we believe there's no way this accident could have occurred the way it did. There's no question that somehow Mr. Dieter ended up in the elevator, but we don't know exactly how that occurred.
For Dieter's longtime companion, the incident was a nightmare. He was pushing Dieter's wheelchair into the elevator that day and didn't see the supposed drop.
If I would have had called the ambulance and gotten the fire engines here, and they would have seen how far it was down. And I'll then forgive myself.
Dieter's lawyer asked anyone who saw the incident on June 20th in the lobby of 500 Doyle Park Drive to call Fiumara's office in Santa Rosa. That number is 707-571-8600.